now we are here to discuss this question that you see here. In the previous video, we talk about I've discussed with you what we mean by some certain uh, definition here. I've defined some things to you. So just look at this one now. Here is an operation. This asterisk, see, is defined. Is on the set R of real numbers. Is defined by this x asterisk y is equal to this. For all this, you have to find this, then identity element and inverse. So I put this question together like this. So because that's the aspect they used to come out in JAM, or if you are offering further math in school. So you have them like this, anyhow you want to come out to be able to solve it. So this is it. Then if an operation is defined as this, then you have to find something like this. So what this simply means that this 3 represent x and 5 represent y. You simply substitute, then you get the value. So for question one, the one figure 1 there. So this is what to have. You simply put this one here, as I've said. So you will have 3. So what you have there is 3 as 35, which is you are going to put into 3x plus 4y minus 5 over 5. So that's what you are going to do. So what will be your answer now? The answer is going to be, so you will have 3 multiplied by what? 3 plus 4 times 5 minus 5 over what? 5. So what will be the answer? Here you will have 9 plus 20 minus 5. So 5 minus this minus this, you have what? So your answer is going to be 20. Here you will have divided by 5. Then your answer is going to be 24 divided by 5, which is equal to what? 4 what? So you have 4 whole number. That's 4 over 5. So that's your answer. That's your answer. Again, for number 2, you have to do this one. Here you have 2, 3 as 34. So again, what you are going to do first is the one that is inside. You do the one that's inside first. This one that's in brackets. So for this one, what do you have? You will have 3 times 3 plus 4 times what? 4. So minus 5 over 5. So here you will have 9 plus 16 minus 5 over 5. So what do you have here is 25 minus 5 over 5. So you will have 20 over 5, which is equal to 4. So what you have again is 2 now to 4, because the solution for this one is 4. So that's what you have there. Then you will go again by substituting this one. This is not times, so it's asterisk. So again, you go second time for this. So you will have 3 times 2 plus 4 times what? 4. So minus 5 over 5. So what do you have here? 6 plus 16 minus 5 over 5. So you will have 17 over what? 5, which is equal to what? 3, 2 over 5. So that's the answer. So look at what we did again. Here, you substitute this one into this. So this one first. After you've done that one, you get the value for 4. So you replace it with this portion here. So then you carry it out again. So the answer is this. So what you have again, you have to do this one also. So what does this one mean? This is x squared, and this, remember, this is what you are given. So you will have x squared asterisk x equal to 2. That is, if you replace this, so this is what you have here, like x plus y, which is defined as 3x plus 4y minus 5 over 5 equal to 2. So the value here, you substitute the there. Remember, 3 and 4 are constants. You are only going for the value of x and y. So what you are going to have here is 3x squared. So you have 3x squared plus what? 4x. Here, this position of y. This is x here. So you put it here. Minus 5 over 5 equal to 2. So that's what you have. Then, this is what you have again. You have 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. So if you cross multiply here, you will have 10. 2 multiplied by what? 5. You will have 10. So for this, you have 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 minus what? 10 equal to 0. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. So this is what we have. Now, what are you going to do here? You have to factorize and factorize it. So what are you going to do to factorize? Say 3 multiplied by 15, what are you going to have? You will have 45. 45. So there are 2 factors of 45. That is, you need 2 numbers. If you add them together, you will get this. If you multiply them together, you will get minus 45. So what are the 2 numbers? The 2 numbers are the factors of 45. Just to cut this short, they are what? 5 and 9. So 5 and 9. So that is, here is 2 numbers. If you add them together, one is going to be negative. So here is minus 5. 9 minus 5 is going to give you plus 4. So minus 5 times 9 is going to give you minus 45. So that's it. So you simply put it here. You will have 3x squared plus 5x minus 9x minus 15 equal to 0. So you will have 3x squared plus 5x into brackets minus 9x minus 15x into brackets. So minus times minus here is plus. So when you put brackets, you will change the sign. So equal to 0. So what is common here? What is common here? What's common here is x. So you bring x out. 3x plus what? 5. What is common here is 3. What's common to both here is 3. So you bring 3 out. So what remains here is 3 plus what? 5 equal to 0. Then again, what is common to both sides is 3x plus 5. So you combine the second one, is equal to 0. So for this one, you will have 3x plus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0. So 3x equal to minus 5. You take this one to the other side. So you have minus 5, or x equal to 3. You divide both sides by 3 here. You will have minus 5 over 3, or x equal to 3. So that is the solution to that. That's the solution to that. Again, here, so that you should find the identity element. So how are you going to find the identity element? Remember what I told you the other time, that identity element is the element you multiply with another one that gives you the same. So here, you define with this one, this x plus e. If you multiply x with e and it gives you x, so it's what we refer to as identity element. Now, this identity element, you multiply with x to give you this. So you replace e with y. So here is you are going to write this one like this: e equal to 3x plus 4e. Now, the position of a you are replacing with e, so that you have that minus 5 over 5 equal to x. So that's it. You will equate it to what? X. That's identity element. So what you have here is cross multiply. You will have 3x plus 4e minus 5. So if you cross multiply here, you will have equal to what? 5x. So you collect like term, take all this one to the other side. So we have 4 equal to what? 5x minus 3x plus 5. So you have 4 equal to what? 2x plus what? 5. Then you divide both sides by what? 4. So identity element is 2x plus 5 over 4. So that is how to calculate identity element. So you see like this. I've told you this definition of identity element. Multiply with this, you get this. So if you put this one in place of this, then it will equal to the x. So cross multiply, you will have this. So collect right hand, you will have that. Now look again. So you still need this this identity element. The identity element is 2x plus 5 over 4. Now you have to calculate the inverse. Now what is inverse? Inverse is an element you multiply with another element that give you identity element. What is inverse? Is an element that you multiply with another element that give you identity element. This is expressing x multiplied by this is symbol of inverse. If you multiply this inverse with x and it give you identity element, so that is inverse. Inverse is a number you multiply with another that give you identity element. So that is it. Now what you are going to do now, you are now going to replace this one with this. So you will have 3x plus 4. So you replace this one with inverse minus 5 over 5 equal to e. Identity element. So what's the value of identity element? Is 2x plus 5 over 4. I believe you are following. So what you are going to do here is simply cross multiply. So you will have 4 into bracket 3x plus 4x raised to power this minus 5 equal to 5 into bracket 2x plus 5. So if you open the brackets, you will have 12x plus 16x raised to power minus 1 minus 20 equal to 10x plus 25. So this is what we have. So you are going to take order to this side. Say take 12x minus 20x to the right hand side. You take this one to the other side. So you will have 16x raised to power minus 1, which is equal to, you have 10x. So here, bringing this one, you have minus 12x. There you have 25. Then bring this here, you have plus 20. Then here you will have 16x raised to power minus 1 equal to what? Minus 2x plus 45. So add this to this, you will have that. You can re-express this one like this, equal to what? 45 minus 2x. So the next thing you are going to do is to divide both sides by what? 16. So here you divide both sides by 16. So you will have x raised to power this equal to 45 minus 2x over what? 16. So that is inverse. Feel free to ask any question that you want on this aspect. So you can put it in the comments section. We attend to it. Thanks for watching.